Okay, I'm here at Troax Safety Systems with Roberto. Wonderful to meet you, Roberto. How are you?
Oh, welcome. We're very pleased to welcome you here in our booth.
Thank you. It's an impressive booth. You've got a lot of different applications and safety systems. Talk us through what you've got on display.
Oh, okay, make a long story short, because we are a company that is more than 50 years old. Actually, we have been the first company in the world to introduce the concept of modular fencing, like the Lego toys.
Yeah.
So it's very easy to assemble.
Yeah.
And also today, all the manufacturers of safety fence, they use our standard of mesh. We were the ones to introduce the 120 millimeter mesh for machinery safety.
Oh.
So today we extend our package of portfolio of products because we want to give a full solution to the customers.
Yeah.
So we work for the warehousing safety. We have a panel of products which is of course a mesh, anti-collapse mesh, back mesh, and we introduce barriers.
Yep. Bollards, barriers.
Yes, barriers for impact. And we are very proud to introduce in our group a company that manufactures safety for forklift, because forklift is one of the most dangerous. Unfortunately, the most of the accidents that we have around in the factories are because the forklift hit the people.
Yeah.
So we have a system that can help to detect when the forklift is approaching the people and give an alarm very easily.
Yeah.
And also we can have a traffic management system. So when the forklift is traveling around the factory, you can avoid that the people get inside the area.
Yeah.
And other different solutions. So we are expanding our portfolio to become a global solution provider.
Yeah.
The company is original from Sweden. We have production in US, production in Europe, of course, and now a factory in China, so we can supply all over the globe.
So Roberto, I mean, especially here in Asia Pacific, it's the first time CeMAT's here in Singapore.
Yes.
What's been the response for you?
It's very interesting, very interesting. We have expectations, and of course have been fulfilled. So we are very happy that we met a lot of interesting business professionals.
Correct.
Yes.
I can hear the alarm going off.
Yeah,
That's
yes.
the forklift alarm.
Yes.
Well, that's got basically like a reversing sensor on a car.
Yes, I can show you just 1 second from my colleague. So basically, each operator will have a personal tag.
Yeah.
Then we get close to the danger, it will be advised by sound and vibrating. Yes.
Wow, it's clever. Very
Yes,
clever.
and also the forklift will automatically reduce the speed.
Ah, really?
Yes.
So it's integrated to the forklift
Yes.
network
yes.
as well.
Yes.
Fantastic. Very impressive. And I think, as you said, Roberto, safety now is number one when you come into a track staff, business culture.
Yes.
Any type of incident reporting is becoming more and more part of everyday operations, especially the more professional the company, the more serious they are about safety.
Absolutely. The only problem that I wish to point out that most of the companies, they see safety investment like a cost, but they don't really see which is the bigger cost if you have an accident.
That's right.
Of course, not only because you hurt a human being and this is always tragic, but on the other side, you have the cost of starting investigation, stopping the production, liabilities, involving management. So sometimes it seems that you are putting money for nothing because you say, no, but I have the habit, nothing happened. And then when it happens, you realize that the cost is much bigger than you expected.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I think the other good thing about your products, if you're running a warehouse as a 3PL or service provider, this is a big selling point when you're running RFQs and tenders.
Yes. Absolutely, and also our partner here is one of few people in the Asian Pacific that make assessment and analysis for warehouses. So we're very proud that we can give a full service to our customer, and to our new coming customer, of course.
Wonderful. Well, great to talk to you. Congratulations on some wonderful, impressive products and for keeping people safe.
Absolutely, our
Thanks,
pleasure.